So welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually rescan your SuperBox decoder to actually get any channel that you are missing on your SuperBox decoder. So once it comes to the rescanning, you have to actually reset the decoder in order for the channels not to appear twice on your channel list. So the first thing that you have to do is to pick up your remote, that's your SuperBox remote, and you press on the menu button on the remote, and from the menu here use the arrow keys just to navigate to the menu, and then you look for settings. So you find settings, you press on OK on the settings option, and then you look through the options over here. You have factory reset, press OK on the factory reset, and you come to restore, or you press on it, OK on it, and then here you need to confirm with the default password of your SuperBox decoder. It's supposed to be 4 zeros if no one have ever changed. So you type in 0000 to proceed, and here everything is gone. The decoder is being refreshed or formatted, which means that there is nothing on it, there is no channel working on it. So all you have to do is to press on the menu button once again, or exit button to exit this option, and you press on the menu button on the remote, and here you come to the menu page, you look for installation. So use the arrow key just to look for installation, and you press OK on the installation. So for you to get access to the installation page, you confirm with the default password, that's the 400000, and it's open up. So installation type, we have the T2 and the S2. The S2 is for the satellite settings, and the T2 is for the digital or the terrestrial settings. So you can select the T2 if you are having a digital channel working, which means that you have already connected your antenna, and you scan back to get your channels. You select the T2, and you come here, you select a country folder. Since you're having a stable signal from the antenna, you can select any country folder, and you put it on auto search. You wait for it to complete scanning to get access to the channel that is available on the signal that you are having from the antenna. So after that, getting your digital channels, if you are to install for the satellite, you press on exit. After scanning, you go to the menu once again, and here you change the installation type from T2 to S2. So with S2, you come to the antenna settings over here, and with the antenna settings, you press OK on it. So from the antenna settings page, you have the satellite option, which you need to select the satellite which you're going to use it to scan for the channel. So if you are to scan for multi-TV channel, you can just select any satellite folder, and then you change some settings over there, add a TP, and you proceed. So let's select this satellite, Eurotelsat 36, which is DSTV satellite. You select it right there, and you come to the transponder. You are not going to find your FTA transponder in it. If you are to scan for the DSTV transponder will be available in it. So for your FTA transponder, such as multi-TV, MyTV, Nicomsat, all you got to do is to go back to the transponder list, and you add. So when you come here, you change the satellite to the satellite which you are willing to use it to scan. So by having the satellite option, you press on the SAT button on the remote for the satellite to pop up. Then you select your preferred satellite which you want to use it to scan. So you select the Eurotelsat, and you come to the add of the TP, press on the red button, and here you have to add. So I'm having a stable signal from the Astra 2A2B 28 degrees satellite on the 28 degrees east. So the TP is 12525, and assembly rate is 30K3000, and polarity is vertical. If it's horizontal, you change it to vertical. You press OK, you save, you highlight it. So as you can see, you have the signal quality showing And on this page, you can move ahead to select the scan option by pressing on the blue button on the remote. But here they have limited the scan option only on the manual scan, and with a manual scan you are going to get only few channels from the platform. So you need to go back to the antenna settings page where you want to get access to the blind scan option to get more of the channels available on the platform. So come back to the antenna settings page, you change the satellite to the satellite folder, which is the rotate at 36 degrees on the 36 east, and you look through the transponder list, and then you put it on the transponder which you have a stable signal on it. As you can see, the signal quality has shown 70%, indicating that you are having a stable signal from your satellite dish. And you proceed by pressing on the blue button for the scan menu to pop up. So here the scan type, you can change it from auto to, and we have the channel type. You can select FTA only to avoid the channels that comes along with the $$ sign, the scramble channels that won't be working. And you can leave it on all two, and you scan all the channels together. Alright, so you press OK to proceed, and then you wait for it to complete scanning for you to get access to the channels that will come along after you are done with it. So this is how you have to rescan your SuperBox decoder to get the various channels that you are missing, or a newer channel being added onto the platform. This is how you should scan to actually get it working. So that's it. If this video has been helpful and you are new here, all you have to do is subscribe, you like the video, share on other platforms, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching. Bless up.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for